Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on cyber security. In this video, I am going to talk about backdoor, a hidden entry point. Suppose a system got compromised and attacker got access to the system. Now at this stage, what attacker will do? Attacker will try to hide their presence and will try to create a door, a hidden entry point so that they can install other malicious software. So in this lab, I am making the use of Windows 10 machine and we am running Kali machine. As an attacker, I am going to make the use of netcut to create a backdoor, that is hidden entry point, to have the communication between the compromised system and attacker machine. So I am going to run this command on my Kali machine, which is going to listen the communication on a network over the port 1313. Now I need to install netcut on my Windows 10 machine, which I have already installed, and going to run this command. So IP 192.168.75.131 is the IP of my Kali machine. So here now a tunnel, or you can say a channel, is created between the two machines, between the compromised machine and between the attacker machine. Now this is the attacker machine. Now whatsoever the attacker will type here, it will automatically will display onto the compromised machine. So here I am typing hello Pratik. So this is going to display onto my Windows 10 machine, that is to the compromised machine. So in this way the attacker will create a backdoor, that is hidden entry point, onto the compromised machine so that they can do anything what they want to do without coming into the notice of the actual owner of the machine. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned on more videos on cybersecurity. Till then,